If you're looking for some free software to record videos of your presentations that includes PowerPoint, your visualiser and a webcam, then Open Broadcaster Software Studio will be right up your street. Watch this video to find out more. This is a really cool bit of software I found that I can't believe I've not seen before. It's used for streamers who are streaming games, but it's got some great applications if you want to start using it for recording your lessons to use with the students, and I'll kind of explain why. It's called OBS, or Open Broadcaster Studio, and it's free, open source. And when you run it, you can choose multiple input sources. So at the moment I'm running my browser and a webcam, but it's quite easy then to switch to your webcam and a PowerPoint presentation. So if you're doing a lesson, I'm now capturing my second screen, which is running my PowerPoint, so you can then use this to run through a PowerPoint show. I can also then switch straight to my visualiser. So I've got a visualiser set up, so if I want to use this for drawing and writing diagrams and so on, then I've got a visualiser set up quite easily. A piece of paper, a little mini whiteboard, and you can write on that and stream that and record everything. And also you can use this for gaming as well. So the main use of this would be for streaming games. So if you're looking for a really cool tool for recording your lessons, you want to record little short snippets of presentation that you could used to flip your classroom, show this before the lesson, have the students watch this quick presentation, bit of PowerPoint, visualize a demonstration, demonstrate a web page, record it, it produces it as an MP4 file. You can then send that straight to YouTube, or you can attach it to your learning platform or whatever, embed it into PowerPoint. So it's called Open Broadcaster Studio. It's a really cool little bit of kit, and the beauty of it is it's absolutely free, so you haven't got to spend any money, which is pretty good. The address is just obsproject.com. Google OBS Studio and you'll find it pretty quickly. So that's my quick tip. Thanks for watching. As always, subscribe, and I'll have more videos soon. Thanks for listening. Bye bye.